What is going on, the private lions and the lions that cannot stop roaring? Before I even start the video, it'd be very much appreciated if you guys could hit that subscribe button and also that post notification bell. It makes this cool little sound. You know, I'll give you guys like 10 seconds to do that right now. Hear the little sound that it makes. Alright, cool. But overall, you know, I hope you guys do enjoy these videos that I make in regards to shoes. You know, shoes are like my passion. I love collecting shoes. I love making videos about shoes. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos, like I said, hit that like button. I have a new series on the channel where there's like, you know, it's a cop or drop, sit or sell type of stuff. So basically shoes that are releasing for certain months like January, February, March, throughout the whole year. I'll be letting you guys know what comes out the next month. Like for example, this month I'll make January, next month I'll make February, you know, it goes on like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, that's a new series on the channel. Make sure to subscribe. But today I have the 2.0 Belugas. These shoes are phenomenal. You know, in my opinion, I feel like the V1s, like, or not the V1s, but like the original Belugas, the V2s, are, you know, more vibrant in a sense, but these are more like, you know, relaxed look, and, you know, you can wear them with basically anything because of the color tone. And first impressions, I love them. I think that they should have made it a little bit more darker, like as in pictures. You can see it looks way darker, like a darker gray, but in reality it's a lighter gray, and the orange is not as, like, you know, bright, which I kind of like that it's more simplistic, and, you know, they didn't go too crazy with it, but, you know, a few orange speckles here and there will be pretty cool to add to the shoe, especially making it more popping when you look at them. So overall, Yeezys do break necks. You'll be breaking necks regardless. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. When people see you in the streets with Yeezys, they're gonna look, you know, that's just a natural habit for, you know, sneaker people. But I have the Belugas right here. As you guys can see, it's phenomenal. You know, it's like a simple shoe. These retail at $220, you know, typical Yeezy price, and, you know, they go various amounts like 500 to 200, 300. The resale value on these are not that great. It's, you know, I feel like Yeezys are kind of dying down slowly but surely. He needs to step up and make the V3s, in my opinion. There's gonna be a future video about that. But I'm gonna jump into some B-roll right now, and, you know, first impressions, like I said, they look phenomenal. And if you guys are wondering where I got the shoes from, I got it from GOAT, not Adidas confirmed. So we're gonna jump into the B-roll right now. Okay, so what stands out the most to me is the orange and the Supply 350. The stripe is a lighter gray. Overall, you know, that's what stands out the most, and that's one of my favorite parts. Same Pablo Loves You 350 or Supply of Yeezys 350. I don't know what it means, as not confirmed yet. But as we go around the shoe, you notice the pull tab. The pull tabs were from the V1s, and they brought them back with the V2s when they made the breads. The breads, you know, went good with it, and then they made the zebras, and then now they have the 2.0 Belugas. Now, the original Belugas don't have a pull tab, but it's pretty interesting to see that this one does. You could count the dots on the back and on the side to know if they're real or fake. These are real because they came from GOAT. They've been verified. But as we go around the shoe, this is one of my favorite spots as well. The side design, I really do love that design, especially when you can see it. I had the Oreos, well, I have the Oreos. They're black and white. You could barely see the design with the white freckles, but I have the zebras, and the zebras go all out. That's the first thing you notice when you look at the shoe. So overall, you know, the prime knit material is really great. It's a great fabric that they made with the Yeezys. And then you have the Boost material on the midsole, which is a translucent bottom where you can see the Boost right through it. So as we go towards the bottom of the shoe, you can see it says Adidas, and the Boost material right here is phenomenal. The shoe is really comfortable, honestly. Every Yeezy will be comfortable. So as we go around again, then you have the rope laces. The rope laces are, you know, just really nice, vibrant looking. Like, you know, it's a nice gray, complements the shoe really good, and, you know, overall I really do love the rope laces, and I love the design it comes with. A lot of people loose lace them. I kind of like this little, you know, how it comes packaged, you know. I don't know what it's called, but it's a really nice design, and I leave my shoes like that, except for my, you know, my Oreos. I just tie those. But as we go around again, you know, just letting you guys know. Then the stitching towards the toe box that goes straight up to the upper, you could tell if that is fake too, with the toe box right here. So it all depends, you know. So Then inside you have the 3 brand stripe. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. And you have padding inside of the shoe. Now, overall, I feel like, you know, Yeezy or Kanye, he makes the shoes really comfortable, you know, like not just for the bottom of your feet, but also the side of it, because there's padding throughout the shoe, like, you know, towards your heel. So that's about it for this review. I'm going to show you guys some on feet. I hope you guys did enjoy this. Like I said, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for the on feet next, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.